This is shocking, guys. Today I'm going to cover something that no one else has ever covered before in any videos. Now, there are people out there who keep saying that you need to pin 60 pins a day, you need to keep on pinning 70 pins a day, but I can bet you that you won't be able to succeed on Pinterest even if you pin 100 pins per day if you don't know exactly what you're doing. Now, the point is, if you're pinning 50 pins a day or 60 pins a day, and if those images are compliant, you will definitely see a lot of progress. But if those images are not compliant, I'm afraid to say that your profile one day will get buried deep into the Pinterest universe. The reason I'm saying this is because Pinterest has recently released an article stating that they are tagging all their images. If it is AI generated, they will tag the image as AI generated. And if the images are AI modified, they will do that as well. They have started using AI detection mechanism that detects the AI modified images as well. Even though it is a positive thing for the viewers, but for creators, it is a warning sign. The reason being, if you are using a lot of AI images on your profile, I'm afraid to say your profile will get buried deep inside the Pinterest universe, as I said before. What you can do to stand out? I have already found a way to bypass this mechanism, guys. So stay tuned. If you leave this video right now, you won't be able to get what I'm trying to say. If you miss this thing, your Pinterest profile won't progress in future. All right. Now that we know that what Pinterest is going after, our next step is to identify what mechanism is Pinterest using to tag the images as AI modification. I was able to figure out that Pinterest is using IPTC photo metadata to figure out the image type, right? So, if according to IPTC metadata, the image contains certain parameters, it will directly flag the image as AI modified. Now, what is IPTC technical metadata? It is nothing but the metadata that is captured at the time when you take an image using a camera. So once you shoot a video, or once you do a photo shoot, there's a metadata that gets attached to that specific image, and that metadata happens to stay with the image no matter what you do, right? As a result, what happens is when you use that metadata and you put it in the Pinterest platform, Pinterest directly looks at that metadata and flags the image as AI detected. Now I'll show you one example over here. Now let's say I have generated an AI image. Okay, so this test one is an AI generated image which I generated using a Google platform, right? So I uploaded this thing, and when I click on upload, see what happens. Now, this is the metadata that Pinterest directly goes after once you upload the images to the platform. Do you see this thing? This is EXIF tool output. It says this is the metadata, guys. File permission, JFFI version, resolution unit, EXIF byte order, and when you scroll down, it says credit made with Google AI. Think about it, guys. Now, if you're directly creating images from AI, no matter what platform you're using, even if you're using Midjourney or Ideogram, this type of tagging will be there in the image, right? So there is a way to get around it. Now that way is to use Canva. Now what I'm trying to say is that I've tried many combinations. In fact, I was trying to develop a tool to bypass that thing, but it was difficult to come up with that tool. But I'm still working on that. So stay tuned. I will be one day, someday I will be coming up with that tool. Maybe it will take me a month or two, but I should be able to get that tool for you guys for free. Okay, so if you're my subscriber, you should be able to get that tool for free. Now, what happened is I uploaded that image on my Canva profile, as you can see over here. All right, and then I use that image over here. Correct. Now, next is what I did is I put my brand name over here, and then simply what I'll do is I'll download this image. Okay. Now there's a trick. I'll let you know what that trick is, okay? But first, just see what I'm doing. So what I've done is I've downloaded this image, and then once the image is downloaded, what I'll do is I'll go to that same metadata extraction website. You can easily uh, get on Google. If you just Google and see, check what tools detects the metadata, you can easily find one. Okay, so that's the one which I downloaded. Now what I'll do is I'll upload this thing, and now watch what happens. After I do the upload, the whole metadata thing will be different. But there is a catch. I'll let you know what that catch is. Right? If you look over here, everything has changed. You see this? All that stamping was there, it is gone. Now it says author is my name, Hemant Sarkar, and creator tool is Canva. Perfect. This is exactly what we needed, right? Now you can use this graphic and upload it on Pinterest, and your Pinterest should not be able to detect it as AI. That being said, as I told you earlier, that there is a trick, right? And that trick is once you download any image, guys, once you listen to this carefully, once you download any image from any website, may it be Ideogram, may it be Midjourney, may it be Google, may it be DALL-E, may it be ChatGPT, anyway, once you download that, if that download format is in PNG, just convert it to JPG. And if that format is in JPG, simply convert it into PNG. Okay, so that's the step one. Once you do that, only then go ahead and upload the image in Canva. And after you do that, put your branding over here, like do some changes, right? Do some editing. Editing can be in form of either zooming the image or zooming out the image. Do something to that image, okay? And then put a branding and then download it. Once you download it, your image should be good. So you should not be going ahead and doing the test again and again. I have shown you what the process is like, right? Like if you are downloading raw copy of image, it will have these metadata in it, and that metadata will definitely catch the AI image, right? So what? So there's a three-step procedure that you need to do. First, if you're generating any AI images, download that AI image onto your laptop or desktop, and then convert that to, if that image is in JPG format, convert that into PNG, and if that image is in PNG format, convert that into JPG. Okay, and after doing that, simply go ahead and upload the image in Canva, add your branding, do some changes, download the image, and then upload it to your Pinterest profile. This way, Pinterest should not be able to detect your image as AI. Alright, guys, so that is all for today. But before you go, step which I have shown you is premium step, which I share with my loyal subscribers. So, if you want these types of underground tips and tricks which no one else shares on YouTube platform, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and download this Pinterest blueprint course. Alright, guys, that's it for today. See you at the other side. Thank you.